How much of your life energy should you dedicate to growth and learning? Is there a magic percentage? Or is it just guesswork? Let's break it down, scientifically. First, think about animals. They face the exploration-exploitation trade-off. Explore new territory to discover resources, at a cost. Exploit known grounds to conserve energy. Young mammals invest heavily in play-based learning. Evidence: play builds skills and neural flexibility. With maturity, learning time falls. Adults channel energy to efficient execution. Brains arbitrate explore versus exploit via neuromodulators. Signal shifts tune search and focus. Now, scale up to corporations. Same dilemma: innovate or optimize. Search, research, experimentation, invention. Exploit, sell, scale, standardize. Operations make today profitable. Too much search burns resources. Too little search leads to obsolescence. March, 1991. Allocate roughly 10–30% to innovation. What about countries? They invest in education, human capital. They fund research and development. They maintain infrastructure and services. OECD. Around 3% of GDP in R&D tracks faster long-run growth. Neglect maintenance. Capacity erodes. Systems fail when upkeep is starved. So what does this mean for you? All search can scatter your focus. No learning risks irrelevance. Evidence-based rule: about 20% for learning, 1 day per week, or 1 to 2 hours daily. Grow without neglecting health, relationships, or work. Life conditions change. During transitions, increase exploration. During execution phases, protect maintenance. Review and rebalance regularly. How much energy for growth and learning? Science points to about 20%, but context matters. The goal is balance. Like ecosystems, firms, and states, evolve and maintain. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for science-backed insights. Cohen, McClure, and Yu, 2007. Byers and Walker, 1995. March, 1991. OECD, 2019. Kaufman, 2013. Invest about 20%, then adapt.